If it wasn't for that voice, that little voice that told me there is much to see in this world, I would have never discovered just how beautiful this backyard of mine is. Australia. It's a road trip we never planned, but one that we surely needed. Tassie's East Coast is magnificent and a breath of fresh air. So if you haven't discovered Tasmania, you probably should. Today, we are continuing our East Coast journey from a town called Bicheno. Good morning guys from Bicheno. We are just checking out right now and I feel a little bit sad because this place looks absolutely amazing. And I love the town here. There's a lot of things to do. You can go to the beach, we can do penguin tours. But today we're gonna continue our journey further up to the east coast. We're gonna hit up Base of Fires and then we're gonna hit up Lavender farm before heading out further to the west there. Helmi's already out in a cafe just next door to our accommodation, which is really fantastic and convenient. It's a bakery and a pie place and I'm excited because they say it's one of the best pie here in Bicheno. Oh, this is gonna be good. I love pies. Let's join Helmi because I need my damn early morning coffee. It's already half eaten because Helmi's already started. Wow. You know, in New Zealand, they've got this pie award, right? I think our friend Peter would know about this. Well, I don't know, man. I think this is pretty good. I've never tried New Zealand pie, but man, this could be a contender. Really good contender. And it's out here in Bicheno and Tassie.
Well, if you ever pass Bicheno, don't forget to try the Blue Age Bakery. Otherwise, you're gonna miss out big time. That's why we got another one for the road trip.
There's a bit of history to the name Bay of Fires. The Aboriginal name for it is called Larapunas. So in 1773, apparently Captain Tobias was sailing through and he saw the Aboriginal fires and he named that Bay of Fires. But all this orange stuff that you see behind is because of a very natural sort of reaction to the orange lichen and the granite rocks here. But you can just see it from one end of Binalong Bay to up to Eddystone Point. Is just quite beautiful. Really, what a sight to see.
When I was here last time, the color was more vibrant, more orangey. I guess right now it's a bit more dry, but it's still beautiful though. After 2 hours long drive, we are finally here at Bridestowe Lavender Farm. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this? And I got myself, of course, the lavender ice cream. Let's try this because it's starting to melt. Wow, it smells like soap. But it's actually quite sweet, and if you don't really like lavender, there's actually chocolate, like their mix of lavender flavor, so there's always for everyone, right? You know, this place is so beautiful. You can take 1,000 pictures here for you inside. You can go all the way there. They don't limit you. It's open. You can always go. Whatever you want to do, you can do it here. But when we got here, the first thing that we hear is actually the bee humming. I guess because the lavender is quite sweet, right? That's why there's so many bees. And there's a lot of flies. Like, I'm trying to... Apart from that It's so beautiful. This is really worth it, basically, to visit during summer. And you can actually check in their Insta when they're blooming. So it's around mid-January, but always check their Instagram, please. Oh, okay, all right. I'm gonna eat it because otherwise, whoa, whoa. So inside there's a gift shop. You can basically buy anything lavender, from the soap, perfume, tea, and then like this kind of stuff which I wanna buy. It's actually very nice.
Everything here, almost 90%, it's all lavender based. So like from your soap, your skincare, lotion, stuff like that. So yeah, just smells like your ice cream. Wow, look at our car. It's so dirty, right? I don't know if you guys can see this. Look at this, patches of dirt, everything. It's kind of like brownish color there.
Look at my shoes.
And then Helmi's shoes as well. That's white.
Become beige color.
Yep. And
Look at
pretty
my
much,
pants.
yeah, my pants too.
Oh my gosh.
Basically, all the way up here to the lavender farm, right? All the roads are similar to like this.
Yeah.
It's like a lot of like the clay sand here. It's just kicking up everywhere, the dirt. Oh my gosh.
Wow, Nick, look, there's more. There's more lavender.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. It was a long drive today, wasn't it?
Yep.
But it was definitely worth it. But today we're staying in Tamar Valley, which is about 10-15 minutes north of Launceston. Perfect for family and kids. I think there's some putt golf too, right?
That's right, and playground. It's actually very nice for family.
Yeah. So this right behind is our humble little home for the night. We are currently in Aspect Tamar Valley Resort. There's a lot of things you can do here, but we kind of checked in kind of late. It's about 8 o'clock, so a lot of the activities that we want to do is closed, but we're going to show you guys in the next episode what you can do around here. It's quite a nice resort here. It's not too expensive as well, so let's give you a quick tour. Very simple. You have the bed, TV, no internet though, unfortunately. I was looking around, there's no Wi-Fi, but further down here, obviously you got our messy bag right here. It's kitchen. Just simple stuff. No major cookings. The plates underneath. But here's the bathroom.
Ta-da!
And this is what I love about the bathroom, right? The bathroom really sells everything.
And it's actually heated. It's
Yeah.
quite warm.
That the light is actually your heater. So when you turn on the light, it heats up. You can really feel like the heat. So it's actually nice. It kind of has this dual mode where it's a light, but it's also a heater. So it's perfect for winter. But anyway, guys, thanks so much guys for watching. We'll see you guys next episode. So stay tuned.